on the board house and upstairs, no matter there, and she just fly in. All I want to put together in a one can't match Shalam. Not even from, I'm not talking about TikTok now, nothing, now my music career. I'm talking about in a real life. All I want to put together, I want to be the number that house, arrange to not pay pussy. Only that if I send no matter one lion out of the lion, the pussy. If you don't send one, no matter one lion every day, or every week, or every ranking Sunday, no matter have a big blood clot mansion, you can't chat to Shalam. Just suck your mother. I'll be a clown on the internet. When I'm shitting them out. Hold on the car. I wouldn't shit in a plate. Hold on there. Ugly man, where
One
you
Shalam.
No, one Shalam. You are coming out with a transmission. Where you want?
And a transmission.
Oh, you know
A
a transmission?
Philippines.
Oh, you know a
A
transmission?
Philippines.
A Philippines.
Philippines.
Spell Philippines. Spell
Yeah.
Philippines. Spell it.
The spell Philippines, Philippines.
You spell it, pussy, because you know she have. You spell it. I bet
No,
you can't even spell it. I bet you can't even spell it.
No man, me spell Philippines, spell
You
peace.
spell it, then spell it, man. You know she have. Me can't spell none at all. You spell it, maybe here. But you know, look, your big shit in the plate. Then I get no time. You don't take a bat. But she a Philippines. But she a Philippines. Spell Philip and me spell peas. You not trouble, you know. You not trouble, you know. You not trouble out here, you know. You not trouble, you know. Me tell you, you need not trouble, you know. You not dangerous trouble, you know. Put some traction on the life, you know. Your people, they say, you speed and wait. Me come down, you know. Nobody ramping me, you know. Me must have shit in a place, you know. Members, members ramping me. Me put some traction. But Philippines. But Philippines. A Philippines. A Philippines. Bomba clad. We never see that. May I tell you, you rough pound of pussy, what you know? Cause you know. Alright. Continue. Vanny, what go on? I'm in a bomba clad see you for how long? I'm not even chilling, you know, say I pay transmission over here, I get up on me. I want to do even, look at what go on, I'm busy. Watching from Antigua, big up people like Antigua people, them. No shit in a plate business. Milky Way, Shalam. I send you a message and I don't see a reply. Judgment Day.
With my guru.
Mighty. What go on?
I bought the car with Philip.
Yeah?
He bought Philip. But Clark, I'm fucking one of that dog.
I must spell Philip. I just.
Yo, me that one supermarket a while ago, the cashier must have said, but Clark, I'm going to yell also. But Clark, the dog said, I'm Charlie. I'm Filipino. What's the Clark?
You must spell Philip and misspell P.
Yo, all kind of fuckery when them entertain over your girl. I be thinking about them a go out with yo. Yo.
I tell you, brother, a judgment, man. A judgment me pussy class. Man, I say a church, I say the church mission, but tell about Philip. Philip. A Philippines. A Philippines. Ah. Me tell you, so sample man, they boy, my brother.
You there now, what up? The man you want to sorry was it to pussy class.
I tell you, say, but I protect him. I work on a car that. The Philip, I work on a car, that. I green, I work on a car that. I don't care, I protect you now, you know. In can't even spell Philippines, I'm back and tell you when I spell Philip.
I feel the pressure to tell the pussy what we spell it.
I Philip, me want to spell it, I Philip, I know you can spell it, but more, I honest what, that's easy, but even know which one easy, I can pin supposed to easy. But him don't. It a show you from, man, he never know where I talk about, he just want to know, say, I'm a white man that somebody when he can make. He never knows I go down death that and destruction. But he say, bro, shut up.
Anybody will be on them, man. Them are the youth, you know.
Yeah. Black card, him a look. I tell me about, what you say about, I don't transmission channel, man, Philippines. Me pussy clad. So where you going with, brother? Everything mucho.
We there for the girl before I go and listen to live, brother. I see her joyful and mighty, you know, my father. Upright Jamaica, you know the thing, righteousness have to prevail. For them see with them know a judgment.
I hide when they go with them, about them, no, you know, remember, say a long time we set the order.
Me not nice to you know, me all nice to go vibe down in my own village, what do you got?
Yo, very nice, you know, bro. Me say, me sorry, me never get the. Yo, this, you know, say this morning, me sit down and I listen to the voice message, them, bro. Me check 1, 2, 3, them. Not even them, me never did see, you know, bro. And I hear a sound, I play in the background. You see, it come I hear it, and I hear it. I got 2 sound we did there, you know, one day down on the stretch, and one up push power with it, bro. Me I tell you, so we have a good vibes, bro. Me sorry, remember, say me want you the forward to you, man. You know,
Hey, man.
I would like go with them. What I go with them up there, you know.
So I'm going to follow that for me in a day part, you see it?
Yeah, bro. And when I tell me, I tell you, bro, me not expect you again, cause you see, you get so you
Yeah.
get.
You know, I tell you, man.
But me, I say, me know, say judgment day a serious man. Still, I me have to say, me no know, me not have God iPhone, bro. I show you phone. Me I show you a percentage low, and me no want it dead for me from car. I in a bush with there, if anything, we have to go run the GPS. You see it, car. I in a bush with there, you know.
Say, come now, man.
I say, me want have look a percentage, so me put it, me turn off some of my notification them, bro, with it, like all the TikTok and the WhatsApp and everything, bro. So now I make no alert, it just stay in my back, bro. I'm sure you happy, you see me? Yeah.
Place, me like how the place look, daddy. Believe me. And the warrior them, you see me?
Yeah, man, I be a guru up there, man.
Different kind of warrior them not come and flat, bro.
Yeah, bro. Be a bushman up there, bro. Be a original man, bro. Be a original. The man they not contaminate. The man they afraid of the city. They're not afraid of it because of violence. They're afraid of it because of indoctrination, don't they, bro? It's like, you see them man, they go in the city, people look on them weird, like say them are alien, and you know? You know, so they start like them are alien. You know, like how we, like for example, me go in a certain party, and everybody look on me like I'm a weird man. Pay transmission, no, bro. You feel weird cause you get everybody naked, the man they look like girl, I look like a normal man. You feel weird, fam. And them type of energy them man they get when they in a city. You see it? So the man they not to portal the city like that again. The man they stick to the evil they know. Yeah. But it was a good vibe, my brother, man. Yeah, man, me full joy culture. You see, me see certain activities and certain things when me never see. You know?
Yes, you got them for down that side there one different kind of energy for the warrior them in our town. Man, you see me there and I observe how the warrior them. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the
A
smile
different kind of energy warrior them are there with down at them side of early, you see me?
it's serious, bro. Serious. Yeah. Serious, bro.
Cause I don't even know say I so close to the border, right like a right on the border there so there. Guru.
That's why up here so cold, man. So we get all the England breeze, you know, bro.
Cause what channel you have one 3 star where I remember how them call them cheese star about them align with each other every night. You see me? If you're looking at the sky, you see them.
Yeah, man, right over where
You
them.
know, say, me dey on the ball field and it come like a right over me, the cheese star, them they go like, I can't touch him, and I say, boom, buckler. You know, say, all the while, me dey on the post over on my gun, me I look on them, said cheese star, yeah, but when me dey on the gun up the daddy, it started look like a right over my head, me can't just touch him, so.
Yeah, man, right over here, the firmament there, bro. Believe it, man. Believe it, man. Right over here, crown the firmament there, man. Believe it, bro. I see him energy. Up on the rock with it, bro. You see it? Up on the rock with it, you see me? Up on the rock with it.
Real spiritual gang, man, and a normal place, man. I want them to know the gang, man, you see me? You want them to know the gang, four corner. And Jamaica not a normal place. Enough people never left out, enough people in the city never left the city yet. And enough people live all at Portmore side, them never left Portmore yet and go some different part of the gang. And you see me, Jamaica, are one of the nicest place, bro.
But then now I'll get left again, you know. Everybody there in the first place. A mad girl them there, mad people them, mad sick in the head. And give them some blood clot like you want die for female. So, my dig you out. So it just show you, bro, and that become a habit for them. Habit. A reflex. Shit in a play business. They hate themselves, bro. Believe me, you say a worst thing for them with one of them women that when I love themselves. Wax on, makeup, Mr. Miyagi, pussycat lashes, falls you know when they rest in crown, a beer bonnet and color wig they read, Power Ranger wig. Red red, green and gold, pink and then purple and then color there. A transmission business in the LA MNP, check in man. Hello MNP family there man, the extension man. Then girl will milk you. You see them girl? You have to listen man like black man in talk about them. You know, your man saying not even a fuck get them girl they want that even one way man not saying nah fuck no girl not even with tattoo. Yeah man serious at me, you know. Come on. Black man there, you know, man saying not even if you have a tattoo, man saying I want to fuck you. That he dance, man, that for show you or some man serious.
Deep. Yeah, man, it deep, man. It deep, man. A wicked thing I go on with the woman and that, and them not see it, bro. Say, I hate themself now. If I want to hate themself, I don't go love a warrior them, you know.
They don't love
And that are the thing, you know, I don't understand, you know,
so me
my
tell
lad.
you, man, they love nowadays. What do you mean? I tell a man, say, bro, all your interests and your work, sweat, and I chew pussy, you know. Me tell you, if I never have catches, enough man, don't go suck your mother girl, but to a man, catches, and sometimes my personality will nice. But what is, while you're busy, I love that girl, you know who she busy, I show all her fear, all her love and affection, I go, and her attention, and her future preparations, over Cardi B them, over Beyonce them, over them people with the false body them, and then just want to get that body there and that's nice. That's all them a focus on. The black woman then. So you're busy, I love a white blood clot shell. Everything they want, Perkins bag, anything where you shit in a plate, then come out with, you see them, stress you. If you can't buy it, then go fuck a next man and get it until they say you're a cuff.
And the programming of them, you know. Yeah, man, a programming of them, man. Through music and social media and all kind of fuckery. And a joke thing. Yeah? I just say ball game there. If you can't buy her a Birkin. Tell her say you can't buy her a Birkin bag. And that she tell her say. Sad, bro.
Off. I want to call me getting off the switching phone.
Mm. Come down, man. No, come down, you know. No, two I go there and go want jump up to, you know, you don't know, you know, Shalam. Go on, land your plane, you know, me. I make two I go there and get for check in to there, you know, what thing come down.
Eh?
And I say, you know, what two I go there and go there want come jump in for all a joy to say, where is it?
Them
Cause
there.
I only for guru there, you know. You know, a guru up on top of guru nation, you know, righteousness have to prevail, you know.
Big up, brother. Big up.
Mighty and powerful, man, Jamaica, man. Upright. Let's do the right thing, man. Love on yourself, man. Stop trying to be Syrian and Indian and Caucasian and you don't want to be black. You don't want to be darkness. I'm telling you, man. That's wise, man. I know yourself, man. I power them no want to tap in, you know. Them no want to tap in that power there, you know, because them afraid of it, you know. So everything with dark, them tell we say, we not to deal with it. Still you know, hate on yourself. A judgment. I'm mighty and powerful, man. I know yourself, man, and stop believe. Because you see believe like that, and I make like believe, you know. And I have to know yourself. And know God. Within you, God live. Is it?
There is.
In there.
Bro, watch out, man. I'll come down still, you know. Come and take care of some business. So, you know, you know, you already came out of judgment. Connect up half the year. Bro, them watch out, man. I'll come down.
Upright,
Connect
my
up.
girl. Mighty.
See it. Yeah, you found you know you already, but now I left you know. Remember, say I want to get. What a disrespect. What a blood clot disrespect. At least it's not like in shit. Big up yourself, girl. God, we don't ask to see a question. But what a disrespect. What's in mustache? You don't see mustache? Hello. Remember your woman. He looking come dog. What a blood clot disrespect. Big up yourself still. It's all like you want straight, man. Me kinda, I know disrespect, you know, but big up yourself. Hello. Royal man, royal woman. He pussy clot. You wanna call one transition. I never seen it like this though. One second. I what kind of man in this one? I tell you to pussy clot. Me have to come down now, you know. I'll be back. Me have to come down now. I told you, must error. How are you? You don't like that up here still, you know? We don't really like that up here, you know? Yeah, but we kind of love it up, but we don't really like it up here sometimes. You must error. How are you, man? How are you, Robert? You don't see mustache. Must see my man never become gangs with my glue and glue on his mustache, but he could not go. His mustache, me I tell you to Bamba clan, God. If you're not busy, I have to go and take you with you, know, I'm kind of tired, you know. You might have to go and take you with you, but tired for sure. I 7 years, me dip on my foot there, man. See, last year. The man I don't talk about that all. At least me not get fit. At least me get fit. Me end up laugh. All that morning them are a laugh. At least me get a laugh this morning. They say a good laugh turn it away right. At least me get a laugh. Vanny say if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and me say if you subscribe to that channel that can make a subscription. You know, heart me and do this. That would just send request. You know, you me say me I come down and I send request. 2 man we have balls. No. No gooder. No gooder. Watch how me this man. Active tour. You suck your mama active tour. Go bend your neck like a turtle and suck your cock and then suck your mother after. You don't get a proper this. You want a one like that. Say something again, me make a moderator black you. Don't black him it. You will want a shout out. You don't fuck body like dog. Suck your mama. Say a proper one there. Talk now what you say. Since you want a proper disrespect. Bend your neck like a turtle and suck your cock, and after you go suck your cock, you suck your mother crotch. Talk now what you say. Well, like you know you want me place pussy. You come for disrespect. Say what you say now. I look for him funny and slap him for 6. He now no come in. Give him one slice of gato bed and look at Derek Morgan's true. Suck your mama and love attention like a batty man. You can't make the white girl out to get to her bus. You suck too much pussy. Yeah, come over here with promotion and big up and know for your house. Suck your mama. Come off my platform, pussy. Nobody no call the name you talk. You send request, nobody never know say you. The man them in the comment section and say who that Shalam. Me no call the name. You want a disrespect. Go bend your neck like a turtle and suck your cock pussy. Suck your mama after. Big shit in a bumbo clad plate. Work with that disrespect now. Go catch up on screen recording and bust. Pussy what batty. Now have a good day, guru. I go up on the road, you know. Shalam. I call it them roses are from Alex. You good as me now cut her off. Send me some heart meat, baby. Put some heart meat on my face. Heart meat any. Not too like the rose them, you know. How dead people then get rose and the hospital people them, you know, like them something, you know. Yard boss, big up yourself. Bad scream recorder. Yard boss, record this for me, please. May I send one message to and Shalam. May I send one message to him and Shalam. Alright, ready now. This is for the pussy wall where they put my name we have Negus.
Bless. I want frost me all looking up.
No frost.
You give me one yard.
Yeah, cause me no frost. Me no cigarette company. Me no, yeah, you have to ask me for bush. You want a piece of sour sap leaf?
Good man.
Alright, big up yourself. Alright, listen to me. Yard boss. Yard boss. Yeah, listen to me now. Tell the man we are call up my name, a hungry man, cause you are running screen recording. Yeah, daily moments. I wait till I shit in a play the gun. This trap me anyway. Start over again. Shalam. 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 It's a million pussy Negus, you know. Listen to me. Yard boss, tell the pussy say me build my mother house. That's the first thing. I have to call me by my last name. I use all of his money and suck pussy and fuck body and pay rent. Him a girl when Rad can't even do welding. He no contribute nothing. Tell him say elephant man deserve when he say about inspiration, about major hype. Major hype get molested and watch man a fucking girl for catching kicks. A Batman business that. If a man will inspire you, will do something there, that means you're a future Batman. Because you have to go through the same thing. Move your pussy well and come down. Me not give you no clout. Move your 20 bat in your mouth. You come like a 2-year-old baby. Me. I suck your mother. You're a little boy. It's a pussy wall. Shalam. I won't be answering you anymore. Me prefer talk. Me a fish dog. Me a fish dog have a overstanding. You just look. You are shit in a plate. You fall back a man and lick out batty and this and do beach. Me can't you're a batty man. Me not argue with batty man. You have fish dog have little bit of talent. You not no talent at all. None. You not talent. You not even a spark of blood clot talent. When you argue with a blood clot MPC, go suck your mother. And Shalam. Anyways, I'll be back sometime. Have a wonderful day, my people. Seek knowledge before vengeance. Don't make no pussy tell us you can't make it. Without confidence, you're twice defeated in a shit in a plate and stagnant water. Come on now.